First of all, what that lady from Ali Imran prayed is to be understood and concentrated. One should concentrate upon the words and the phrase of that lady who is mentioned without name, that she prayed to God. She said, Maafi Batni, whatever is in my belly, I dedicate to you. And she didn't ask for a boy at all. But she said, Muharraran, under the concept that whoever is dedicated to the cause of God, he is free or liberated from the worldly ties and responsibilities. So anyone whom you offer to God, he becomes his. So he is no longer responsible for his responsibility to parents, wives, etc. And it was exactly as such that it was understood by the Jewish people and Jewish temples. Whomever they offered to the temple, he belonged to the temple and was in fact taken over and brought up under their own strict traditions. For the worldly ties, they were broken, so this muharrar means free from the worldly responsibilities. But she had a boy in mind only. She didn't mention it in the prayer. Why? Because it was a custom of the Jewish temple that they would not have any girl to become a devotee of the temple. They always had men, boys. So this was what she understood it should be. But she didn't ask for it. So this was a special design of God to make her forget to mention a boy. And God accepted the prayer. Okay, it's granted. I accept whatever is in your belly, whatever is in your uterus. Right? Now when the girl was born, this pious lady was amazed, rather shocked. She said, Oh my Allah, I wanted a boy, I begged you for a boy. Look here, what do I see? It is a girl. In answer to that, what God says is very important. This is what should be very carefully heard and understood. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فلما وضعتها قالت ربي إني وضعتها أنثى. Oh my Lord, I have delivered a female child. والله أعلم بما وضعت. Allah knows better what she had delivered. Now the first surprising thing is noticed about this answer of God. Wallahu a'lamu bima wadat. Why should God have raised this question? If it was a girl, God should have said, yes, I know, it is a girl. But God didn't say it was a girl. But said, Allah knows best what the nature of this thing is. Bima wadat, whatever it is. Maafi batni and ma wadat, they go together. So Allah says, I know better what it is. And then the surprising statement comes, وَلَيْسَ الذَّكَرُ كَالْأُنثَى. And zakar is never like unsa, and they are two different things. So it is neither zakar nor unsa. In the manner of speaking, this is a different type of child, and Allah knows best what she is. Which means miraculously God has granted her both the qualities in a manner that people do not understand. The purpose of a boy would be served by this girl, which means that the prophecy of Jesus Christ was also given to the Imran. God refused to accept that this is a girl as she understood, a girl who could not bear a child by herself. But here was something else. Here was something who could bear a child by herself. So that child would still be related to the grandmother, because no other person is involved. All the blood which the child will carry, all the genes which it will contain, it will have, will be delivered to the child through Mary from Imrat Imran. So this is the solution to this enigma. Holy Cross says, I know what you meant, and I have not denied you, but you don't understand this intermediary step. The type of child which you wanted is a very great child. I'll give it to you, but at the right time. This lady is intermediary between you and that promised child. It is Jesus Christ. And both belong to Imrat Imran. So the child is granted in the second step, not in the first step. But whatever is granted in the first step is certainly not just a girl, because a girl cannot bear a child by herself. Got it?